It should be this guy, which goes to here. Oh, I would say that's a good place to start. I don't care who you are, but this road to me looks pretty straight. And if we could make our roads back then, when we had GPS, how different it would be. And it still wants me to go over here. Yeah, I thought I made this AB line pretty good in the middle of the road. Nope. Oncoming traffic. Easy Pilot Pro with 700. Just had to fix some wiring, but we're back in business. Testing it out before it hits the field tomorrow. It's working good. I do like these with the 700. You could utilize 700 monitor on these older Steigers that didn't have a valve. And I know we're not using it now, we're just discing. But you got the capability to hook up a planner if you wanted, or something using ISO that you need to run through the 700. But this one, check mark it. It's fixed, it's working good.